SPGC stock analysis March 13 and onward. Should you buy now? I'm not covering all this in the next 1 minute. And after 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars in trading and mentors, I figured out what's making money and what's not. I've done well over 37,000 videos and everything is documented with proof on my YouTube channel. But SPGC still went down, although Wednesday's performance it's not down. But I'm talking about overall all the whole structure and the bearish bias that we have here. Look, the only thing that will make sense for me is to be bullish if I see the price start breaking, above some proper highs above 83 cents or something. But here, man, it's just, it's doing its thing. And honestly, like if the price does not, it's still in a bearish range, but if there's no catalyst or like a crazy break above 20 cents, that I'm still not looking to take things up or be bullish, because it is literally in a bearish market. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. It's only for now and not forever, of course. And if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. There's a lot of sauce.